Activating an AT&T Prepaid SIM card online is quite straightforward. Today, I'll guide you through the process of activating your AT&T Prepaid SIM card online. To begin, navigate to the AT&T website and search for AT&T Prepaid Activation. You'll find a page where you need to input specific information to activate your SIM card. Firstly, you'll need your AT&T number. This number is typically found beneath the barcode on the packaging of your SIM card. Once you've located it, input the AT&T number into the designated field on the website. Next, you'll need your IMEI number. The method for finding this number varies depending on whether you're using an Android or iOS device. Simply search online for instructions on how to find the IMEI number for your specific device. After retrieving the IMEI number, enter it into the appropriate field on the activation page. Lastly, enter your zip code into the provided field. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, click on Continue to proceed with the activation process. Your AT&T Prepaid SIM card will then be successfully activated and ready to use. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have your SIM card activated in no time.